In this video, I will show you how to fix why you can't do on TikTok. So the step are so simple to follow. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, as you can see now, go and search for the video that you want to do on it. So let's say I want to make a do under this video. Let's select some video. Let's say I want to do under this video. So after you come to the video that you want to do, so tap on this, as you can see now, this share arrow. After you tap on this share arrow, as you can see now tap on, scroll all the way to left. As you can see, here is the due section. Tap on it. So now allow it to finish processing the video. So as you can see now, after it finished processing the video, as you can see now, here is the view section. As you can see now, you can be able to customize it in this section. As you can see now, I will just go with this one. So now we can be able now to customize the view. So after you select the view, now tap on this camera icon to start just recording your view. So for me, just I can't just record anyone. So as you can see now, if you want to start, tap on this record section to start your recording your due. So for me, let's say if you can't find this option, how can you fix it? So the best option to fix this option, all you have to do now, close your TikTok app and go to your Play Store or App Store and update your TikTok app, because the option is available on any Android phone or on any iOS device. First of all, just go to your Play Store, App Store and type in TikTok like this. As you can see, TikTok. After you type TikTok, just open the TikTok like this. After you open the TikTok, so now it will give you an option to update the TikTok app. As you can see, here is it. So you can see an option like this to update the TikTok app. After you finish updating your TikTok app, now go back to the TikTok app and go and try the step that I show you under this video. So you can be able to see your due section under this share button. As you can see, if you tap the share button and if you scroll to left like this, you can be able to see the due section like this one. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.